Hey, my name is Paula Joy, and I want to talk to you about another exciting loan program that we offer here at the Money Market, the Amazon for Mortgage Solutions. Today I want to talk about this one, interest-only loan designed for those who are looking for cash flow, especially what? People who are landlords. The interest only is fixed, right? Your interest is fixed for 40 years. For 40 years, and guess what? So that means basically that you, if you're looking for cash flow, this is ideal for you because your interest or your term is stretched over 40 years and it's interest only. And if you want to bring down your principal, so every time that you pay your mortgage, you can add something and designate it only towards your principal. But if you're looking for cash flow, especially maybe in California where it's so expensive and you don't want, to be sweating whenever you pay your mortgage, you can choose this long-term loan, which is 40 years as opposed to 30 years or even 25 years, okay? And guess what's gonna happen? Now you have cash flow. You have cash flow. And then guess what? As the values go up all the time, guess what? You can decide, hey, man, you wanna pay that down or you just keep it that way. And somebody says, why? 40 years, you'll not be able to pay it off. Wow, okay, fine. You can hand it over to the next generation. And guess what's gonna happen? 40 years from now, the value would have increased like many times over. So do you know of any investors, or are you an investor, cash flow investor, a landlord, somebody wants to buy and hold properties and looking for cash flow? This loan program is ideal for you. 40 years, fixed, interest only. Now, let's talk about the highlights of this loan. So it requires as little as 10% down to allow for a larger purchase price. Interest only, as we mentioned, for the first 10 years means dramatically low monthly payments to allow for a larger purchase price. The rate is fixed for the entire term of the loan. Borrower is locking in historically low interest rate with a peace of mind that the rate will never go up. Okay, first time home buyers allowed as well as, and they are encouraged. The loan amount can go up to $3 million. Second home allowed with 15% down payment. Investment property allowed with 25% down payment. And then of course you have business fund allowed for down payment for the self-employed people. Guess what? So this loan is not just for the first-time home buyer or for investors only. It's actually also designed if you want, it's your primary residence, right? Your primary residence, you can buy this, okay, with just 10% down. Okay, second home with only 15% down, and investment property, 25% down. It's amazing. So guess what? If you feel like this actually is very good because you might not, if you did it fully amortized, you might not qualify for the loan, right? But now because it's interest only and stretched out over 40 years, you now can qualify for this loan as well, okay? Because this one is based on what they call debt to income ratio. So we're going to calculate your debt to income ratio, but it's not based on a fully amortized loan. It's based on your interest only, and it's stretched out over 40 years. So if you're looking for a primary residence, hey, only 10% down for this. Okay? How about a second home in Tahoe or somewhere? Only 15%. How about investment property? 25% down. Buys you this property. Thank you so much for watching. This is Paula Joy. If you know somebody out there who are looking, please, by all means, let them contact us here at the Money Market.